Glad you're with us. Retire Well, Brad Johansson, Kevin Bucher, Citizen Advisory Group. We're talking about some of the financial planning changes that you need to be aware of. And it's a lot. We did minors. We're talking about taxes and Roth conversions and what we do. We have to hit medical. So Affordable Care Act. Are there changes within that now that we need to pay attention to?
Yeah, I mean, this got a lot of publicity towards the end of 2025 as the subsidies were set to expire. So, you know, it's a big deal for a lot of individuals, especially those that are looking to retire pre-Medicare eligibility, right? So you're first eligible for Medicare at the age of 65. And if you're gonna look to retire at 60, 61, 62, or whatever that age is, any age before 65, you're likely going to lose the employer-sponsored health coverage and go on to an Affordable Care Act plan. And obviously, as we get older, having the right health insurance plan is really important. But this issue has become about more than just the right health insurance. It's about income and controlling your income, because it quickly becomes unaffordable, the health insurance, when we start to lose these subsidies.
So do we need to pay attention to what the changes are? You say American Rescue Plan has changed. How so?
So the American Rescue Plan that was passed into law actually changed the qualifications for subsidies. So prior to that bill being passed, as your income went up, you would lose the ability to get government assistance for the health insurance, which, you know, I think that maybe makes sense, right? So at a certain income level, you became ineligible to receive any subsidy dollars to go against the cost of your health insurance premium. What the American Rescue Plan did is it eliminated that cutoff and extended the subsidy. So as your income continued to go up, you would continue to qualify for some subsidy assistance. Now, that was never intended to be permanent. That's why it had a sunset date.
Yeah.
It was extended by the Inflation Reduction Act, but in 2025, that was when the deadline ended, and it was not renewed. So what we saw was people that were getting pretty significant subsidies to help cover the cost of their health insurance premiums. Those subsidies now ended because their incomes were too high, and health insurance quickly became very unaffordable for a lot of people.